8/4/2020 after hours, NVAX. Everyone knows that. Novavax. Yeah, announces phase 1 data. Sure did. We popped. Here, let me show this to you on a 15-minute. We popped to the highs up here at 167. And from 167, we hit the lows right here in after hours. And the low was 103. From 103, we popped back up to 162. And we're currently trading at 149. Now, it's been very volatile. They're on the conference call. See, the intraday high was 157.30, but the after hour spike is right here. And we'll just draw a trend line so you can see it very clearly. 168 right up here on the high. Yes, it is. Okay, now we're at 151 because now they're talking in after hours. So it's been very volatile. So to trade after hours, when the stock fell, we went short and then we got out. And then it went up and we shorted the stock and it dropped back here and we got out here at the 147 area. No, it was 146.50. And now it's printing at 150. They're on 151. And this is live and after hours on the earnings and the conference call, how to trade after hours, how to get that big short, shorting the stock, then getting out. Then when it pops to go up, you buy it and it goes up. You could do all of that with this right here, right now. All you got to do is take that very next step and get in the live trading room. Don't hesitate. Don't wait. I'm telling you, when you see it like you're seeing it now, when you're there with me live, as you will be, you will master it because you will be given the entries and you will have direct access trading. Yes, you will. And you'll have a lot of the advantages. You could see the spike down here at 1630. Yeah, 103 on that. Look at the drop, 1600. Okay, so we know we're over here, and right now we're at 151, 152 on Novavax in the after hours. So they're on the conference call, so you get the knee-jerk reactions in after hours, and you get those prices from us. Don't you worry, we're masters at this in after hours. And you get one direction, and then you get the other direction in after hours with buying and selling the shares. Yeah. And whatnot. So you can see 152.64 is right up here right now from this last little dip. And here we are. We're going to come right back up to here. So that's what that looks like. Its bid is 153.20 now by 153.49. That low was during the day. So the intraday lows you can see down here. And you can. And that was 103. And then you can see the pop. Look at that big pop. Boy, that was a pop. And then we're right back up here. And they're going to talk about the trials. Just remember, it's a phase 1. And these things trade like this and whatnot. So they're always going to have that. Listen, until they get to phase 3, there isn't going to be no vaccine with this company. And let me just tell you another thing. There isn't any real proof. They haven't really, you can talk on the conference call all you want. And you can talk about what your intentions are and whatnot. But we do not have any hardcore evidence or proof. The progress notes are in the right up here with the video. You can go ahead and read those so you know where we're at. And hey, we would love for them to be able to come out a winner, but we need more data. And the big pent-up demand creates this kind of volatility in biotech stocks in after hours. And you make all of that money in after hours. You got to know how to trade it. You won't have a problem knowing that because you'll be with me. You'll be right there. And you'll have the setup. You'll have it all. Just like you see right now. And boy, will you. And you'll know how to execute that order faster than you can blink an eye. Fast. And not only that, you'll be paid very nicely. And everyone deserves to be paid right now. You know, nothing better than sitting here like I am and getting paid on the price movement. It's all about price action. You drop big, you pop, you do all of that. And that's what it looks like on a 15-minute after hours. Here's a 5-minute. You can see that big spike back up. And then you can see why we had to get out down here at 145 again from that peak. Because it wouldn't break that line. And now we're coming up to resistance. We know how to trade biotech. We've been doing it forever. Anyway, Novavax, big winner after hours. Big move off of the bottoms. Great moves. Here's a 15-minute view again. Here's the 15-minute spike. See? That's what it looks like. They're on the conference call as I speak. Here's what the hourly looks like. Big spike. Look at the wick. Yeah, that's exactly what it looks like. But we'll go ahead and stick with that 30-minute. 30-minute. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all of that money. And then buying the dip on the bottom. So you go short, make all the money down, then you get out. You buy, you go long, and you make all the money going up. And you get short at tops, and you do. And they're very nice. And there was the last bottom, and we hit that as well. You can see here that we hit that high to there, and now we're coming right back up. So this is how to trade after hours. This is what it looks like all the way down and all the way back up. Don't worry about the entry. We know what we're doing. And these are the greatest trades.